Hi everyone, I thought we would show you today how we've made our handprint flower bunches that we're planning to send to Jack's grandparents because unfortunately they don't live near us. So for this activity you'll need paint and a paintbrush, card, scissors, sellotape and some pipe cleaners. Then what you need to do is you need to make sure your hands are nice and clean and then give them a paint in a colour of your choice. Once you've painted them and all of your hands are covered in lovely paint, it might be a little bit tickly, you need to place them down on the card as firmly as possible so that you get a nice good handprint. Then you can paint them in a different colour or the same colour and do it again, and just keep filling up as much paper as you want with your lovely little handprints. Then once you've done that you need to wait for them to dry, which in this lovely weather, if you leave them in the garden, they shouldn't take too long. Once you've done that, you then need to cut round the handprints. You might need to ask your grown-ups for help with this. Then you need some sellotape to stick a pipe cleaner to the back of your handprint. Make sure the sellotape's nice and firm and your pipe cleaner is as rigid as it can be, but don't worry too much because you do join them together in a nice little bow. Do that to all of the handprints that you've decided to do, whether it's 1, 5, 10 handprints, however many you want, it's completely fine. Then you need to bunch them all together and tie a little bow around them, again with a pipe cleaner, or it might be a nice pretty band or an elastic band, anything that you can use to tie them all together. Then they're ready and you can either walk them round to a family member to let them know that you're thinking of them in this difficult time, or you can post them to somebody like we're going to, or you can just use them in your house as a nice decoration to see how your hands are growing. I hope you like this activity. Let me know if you do it and show me your wonderful pictures. Bye!